Hey people, so yesterday was a very, see, I changed my top. I'm wearing a new top. Basically that's what I this top is from Mineral, the brand, and it's pretty nice, right? No, because I've had people I've had female friends ask me, where you got this top from, and this color is good on you. So Mineral, it is this brand, and I, as usual, like to, like some baba, I like to wear all these chains, but yeah. But really, yesterday was such a. I read two books, but I could not do my YouTube recordings and all. But still, I feel sometimes you need to give yourself the time, and yesterday was one of those days. And see, right now, my two baby rabbits, they are sunning themselves in the sun. They were eating khakra along with me yesterday. So I don't know, when I was eating, they were like standing on their hind legs and wanting some, so I gave them. But now I'm thinking maybe it was not such a wise idea. But anyway, but see, sometimes I feel these catch-up videos are also important. Yeah. Otherwise, just talking about product reviews, book reviews, what? I mean, it's important to have the connect with your audience, right? I think. Okay. Now, in the next video, I will speak about my book, about not my book, about a book. So on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.